Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on the new generation Xbox. Rust is an intense survival experience where you start with nothing and must build everything. You'll learn to gather resources, craft essential tools, and construct a secure base. The game challenges you to survive not only against the environment, but also against other players, making every decision critical. Get ready for a thrilling and often unforgiving adventure. Your journey in Rust begins with just a rock and a torch. Your first priority is to gather basic resources like wood and stone. Use these to craft a stone axe and a pickaxe, which are vital for faster gathering. Next, find a safe spot to build a small, secure starter base. This provides a crucial respawn point and protects your initial loot from other players and the harsh environment. As you progress, researching blueprints is key to unlocking advanced items and structures, from powerful weapons to fortified bases. You can choose to form alliances with other players for mutual protection and resource sharing, or engage in intense player-versus-player combat. Mastering the art of raiding enemy bases is also crucial for acquiring valuable loot and expanding your dominance across the map. To truly master Rust, always prioritize efficient resource management and securing your hard-earned loot. Develop strong map awareness, understanding key locations and potential threats. Practice your combat skills regularly, as successful engagements are often the difference between survival and losing everything. With persistence and strategic thinking, you'll thrive in Rust's challenging world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.